Hello everyone. Question is Universal Containers uses a custom Lightning page to provide a mechanism to perform a step-by-step wizard search for accounts. One of the steps in the wizard is to allow the user to input text into a text field, ERP underscore number underscore C that is then used in a query to find matching accounts. A developer receives the exception SOQL query not selective enough. Which steps should be taken to resolve this issue? Option A, mark the ERP underscore number underscore C field as an external ID. Option B, perform the SOQL query as part of a for loop. Option C, move the SOQL query to within an asynchronous process. Option D, mark the ERP underscore number underscore C field as required. Correct answer is option C. Question is consider the following queries. For these queries, assume that there are more than 2 lakhs account records. These records include soft deleted records, that is, deleted records that are still in the recycle bin. Note that there are two fields that are marked as external ID on the account. These fields are customer underscore number underscore C and ERP underscore key underscore C. Which two queries are optimized for large data volumes? Now see the options as option A, B, C and option D. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is a developer has generated Apex code from a WSDL for an external web service. The web service requires basic authentication. What code should the developer use to authenticate? Please see the options as option A, B, C and option D. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a software company uses a custom object defect C to track defects in their software. Defect C has organization-wide defaults set to private. Each defect C has a related list of reviewer C records, each with a lookup field to user that is used to indicate that the user will review the defect C. What should be used to give the user on the reviewer C record read-only access to the defect C record on the reviewer C record? Option A, Apex Managed Sharing. Option B, View All on Defect C. Option C, Lightning Wave Component. Option D, Criteria-Based Sharing. Correct answer is option B. Question is what is the most efficient way in Visual Force to show information based on data filters defined by an end user for a large volume of data? Option A, use the rendered condition in Visual Force to limit data based on data filters. Option B, use filters conditions in a SOQL query to limit data based on data filters. Option C, use an Apex controller to refine raw data based on data filters and store the results in a transient variable. Option D, use an Apex controller to refine raw data based on data filters and store the result in a static variable. Correct answer is option B. Question is after a platform event is defined in a Salesforce org, events can be published via which two mechanisms? Option A, internal apps can use outbound messages. Option B, external apps require the standard streaming API. Option C, internal apps can use entitlement processes. Option D. External apps use an API to publish event messages. Correct answer is option C and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.